Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, hope you're well. I am in my Google Sheets and I am in Safari, as you can see. So if I make a new tab, you can see that I'm in Safari here. I'm not going to use the app, and it's probably best that you don't use the app on your iPad too. I'm on a small iPad here, I'm on a small 9-inch iPad. And I simply went to my drive and I found this from my Google Classroom. I found money spent by visitors, which is what we're working on today. And this is our spreadsheet. So if we have a look at the spreadsheet first, you can see that I've got places to spend money at the top, and I've got opportunities to spend, you can see with a green box around it now, and I've got money spent on a purchase, and that is money spent on one purchase, so how many times do I spend, and then money spent by the theme park visitor, and this is per person. This is going to be about a rough average that we're going to find. So opportunities to spend, well, they're going to get one ticket, so they'll have one in there. How many cafes? Well, I have 2 cafes on mine, and I have 3 shops because I was a little bit greedy, and I've got 2 ice cream stands. So that's my rough estimate. So I know that I'm going to have 1 multiplied by 20. Now if you get an error in here, you're going to have to make sure that at the top this 20 has a value. You're going to need to make sure that this is entered properly. Just for argument's sake, I'm going to put 20 in there and make sure that it is $20. So then I need to go and use my formulas that I used before, which is equals product. I'm going to go and type this in, product, open bracket, and it's going to be the first cell, which is going to be B4, comma, C4, close bracket. I'm going to show you what that's going to look like now. So if I go and tap on here, you can see at the very top where the FX symbol is. If I go and bring my mouse up there, you can see that it is equals product B4, comma, C4. And so you don't need to put a multiplier in because the comma will do that for you. And I can hit enter, move that off like that. Now I don't need to do it again, but on an iPad it's a little bit hard to get your fingers on that blue square just underneath the 20 and drag it down. It's very difficult to get your finger in there. You can highlight things like this. So you will have to do that again, and you will have to copy it so that it will all appear like this. So you'll have to go and type these in, equals product B5, comma C5, B6, comma C6, B7, comma C7. And then you've got an auto sum at the bottom, and you will have to go and sum those up. So in here you'll need to go and put equals sum. Let's go and do this on this cell here. Let's go and type this in. Equals sum, need to go and find my equals sum, open bracket. I'm going to need to go from my top cell there, which is D4, and then I need a colon in here to say where it's going to go from and to. It's going to be D7, like so. Close my bracket, and you can see it's highlighted in yellow. It's telling you that's correct, and it's giving you a blue auto sum, a subtotal there it says $39. I'm going to hit enter, close my menu on my keyboard, and I'm done for the first part. Underneath you're going to go and put in your pie chart and make it look presentable with a good color scheme as well. I'm going to show you how to do that next. As always, Year 5, good luck.